All right, so now we're going to take it one step further. We're gonna graph linear inequalities in two variables. Okay, so what you're gonna do, just like when we graphed our inequalities from the past couple sections, okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna decide if it's a dashed line or a solid line. Okay, so a dashed line is the same thing as like an open circle. Okay, so it's either a less than sign or it's a greater than sign. Solid is like if it's a closed circle. So that would be less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay. Then we're actually going to graph, so get some points using our y equals mx plus b, so our slope-intercept form that we talked about a couple chapters ago. And then our new thing for this one is determining a test point and shading. Okay, so here's my advice to you. If you can use the point 0, 0 to test, that's the one I would pick. Now, if you're not 100% sure, don't pick that one. Pick a point. So note here, pick a point away from your line. So pick a point away from your line. Okay. So let's try this. So we've got graph y is greater than 3x plus 1. So we're already almost in y equals mx plus b form. Okay, so that's a good sign. We always want to be in that form. Question you have to ask yourself, is this dashed? Is it solid? Okay, so looking at my inequality sign, going back to here, this one would be a dashed line. So then I'm going to graph it. So just like we did before, my m is 3. So that, remember, that's 3 over 1. My b is 1, which is the point 0, 1. So I start at 0, 1. And then my m tells me to go up 3 to the right 1. So up 3 to the right 1. Up 3 to the right 1. So dashed line connecting my dots. Okay. Now, I'm not 100% sure if 0, 0 is on my graph, so I'm going to pick a point. So we're just going to pick a point way over here that I know is not on my line. So that's the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So this is the point 4, 1. So I'm going to take 4 and 1, plug it into my equation. Okay, so I'm going to have 1 greater than 3 times 4 plus 1. So I get 1 greater than, so 3 times 4 is 12, plus 11 is, wow, I can't even talk. Plus 1 is 13. So is 1 greater than 13? Okay, that's a no. So then we're going to shade on the side that that point is not on. Okay, so that's a little bit new with this inequality piece. Okay, so let's try another one. So we got y is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, so dashed or solid line. That is a solid line because it's less than or equal to. Okay. We're in y equals mx plus b, so my m is 2. My b is negative 3. Oops, negative 3, which is the point 0, negative 3. So 0, negative 3. And then my slope tells me to go up 2 to the right 1. So up 2 to the right 1. Okay, you decide how many points you want to put on there. And then connect your dots. Since it's a solid line, I can just draw a line through all of them. Then we're going to pick our test point. Okay, so I'm going to pick a point way over here this time. So that's the point 1, 2, 3, negative 4, 2. So I'm going to have 2 less than or equal to 2 times negative 4 minus 3. So I get 2 less than or equal to 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, minus 3 is negative 11. So then ask yourself, is 2 less than or equal to negative 11? Okay, that's a no. So we're going to shade on the opposite side of our test point.